Dear Mohammad, Tanzil, Multazam, we're pleased to welcome you once again in Kazakhstan and to discuss your work and achievements in the field of science, librarianship, and academic publication. So your initiatives to support young researchers and develop the scientific community in Indonesia have had a significant impact on the international academic sphere. In this interview, we would like to learn more about your experience, your views on the development of science in education and the prospects for international cooperation.
Okay.
The first question is, as a library director, what modern technologies and methods do you consider essential for supporting scientific research by students and faculty?
Technology, you mean, yes? Actually, for technology now is very advanced to support. So there is like artificial intelligence now is very highly advanced now. That's why the focus actually not to be in terms of technology, but the focus is how to use and benefit or give advantage from that technology and not harm by that technology. Because this technology, if we not treat carefully, it will be that double-edged dagger like that. So sometimes you get successful, sometimes you will be dead with that kind of technology. So students need to be understand how to use that kind of technology. So the university need to be teach the student how to use that technology properly, not overuse it. So the problem is that thing, not to what kind of tool, what kind of that. No, that the problem is what is the best method to use that. So you not overuse that and get advantage to that, and human have future with that technology, not end with that technology like that. Yes.
I strongly agree with you at that point. So as a editor of a Q3 index journal, what qualities and criteria do you consider most important for the publication of high-quality scientific articles?
Yes, and actually for this day, many publication is made up by the artificial intelligence. Many publication, I said many is a lot. Yes, mostly now is using artificial intelligence to write or using chatbot like this. And the role of the editor and the role of the teacher, the role of the educator today is to make sure that the publication is worth reading, not just garbage or wasted product. So we need to see this to seek the idea itself behind that writing, and the honest of the researcher, the transparency of the research, and then the accountability of the research need to be displayed in the paper. For example, if they research about kind of method finding that about the new method in the education or new method in terms of the engineering, they need to put real, not fake data, not just manipulated or fabricatory data, but need to be real data. That's why they need to be transparently share their data. They need to be honest. They use AI to analyze the data or not. The point is honest, transparent, and accountable. So for the editor, they need to see that in the paper, not just your English is good. The paper because now is all paper is English is good. Using Grammarly, using AI, all paper now English is good. But the point is what the meaning in that word, what the finding, what the highlight, what the importance of this finding. Is this just another fake paper like that? So we need to make sure it's not just another fake paper.
Yes. That's a very good answer.
Yeah.
So many young researchers face difficulties in preparing articles for international journals. So what practical advice can you give to beginning authors?
So for beginning for author, that the first is you can write good now with the help of many tools, but you cannot get the best idea if you just rely on tools. So you need to focus first on your research, not focus on how I write it, but focus on what is my invention, what is my new idea to deliver, because now the point is not how to write, but the point is how to invent, how to create something new, how to create a product or a model or something that benefit to the human civilization, like that. So the point is that not just how to write, because now everyone can write. Yes.
So the creativity is also a point.
Of course, is everywhere. Creativity is the point, because the inventor is coming from the not only creativity but the curiosity. If you're not curious enough, then you cannot invent anything.
Okay, so one of the last questions. You founder of the Silkroad Research Network.
Yes, right.
And are the co-founder of RJI, Relawan,
Yes,
Jurnal,
correct.
Indonesia.
Yes.
So how do these international projects contribute to the development of the scientific community in Indonesia and maybe in Kazakhstan?
Yes, we're thinking. We first start of this community is the mission is to make the writing thing, the manage of the journal is a common habit for Indonesian people. We want to make that vision come to fruit that thing. But now we're thinking about how we need to make benefit to other country as well, especially in the Silkroad region, say Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, etc. Why that Silkroad region? Because in the Silkroad we have same kind background culture that if we have some background, some connecting or bond in the culture, then it will be easier to understanding problem each other. For example, now for the difficulty to write, difficulty to publish is the same. Indonesian same, Kazakhstan same, Uzbek same. The problem is the same. Literacy, information, digital literacy is the same. That's why we're thinking about how to make this kind of spread that habit to understanding the nature of the publication, not just publish in Q1, Q2, Q3, but why we publish. That's the more important thing.
Yeah, international academic collaboration is very being the important
Yes,
part.
that's a one of or one part of the about collaboration, because nowadays we cannot just solely individually doing things, but we need to make more collaboration. So if the collaboration is opening many options or many doors, yes.
So what major opportunities do you see for joint research between our universities, especially considering our active cooperation with EAGI?
Yes. For research, for example, is the research. So in Kazakhstan, there is many thing about the fund and grant and research. In Indonesia also many fund, grant and research, and the topic I think is the similar. So that's why there is many options to how to doing that in the future. Maybe in the now we try to submit the research together, and maybe in the for government grant or for internal grant, for example, to make that kind of invention, another new product that can help the human civilization, like that with the EAGI and other institution in Kazakhstan.
I think that would be a very great impact.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Dr. Multazam, for your time and for once again sharing your valuable insights
Thank you.
and experience. Your efforts in the field of librarianship, academic publishing, and support for young researchers are inspiring and provide practical guidance
Thank you.
for all of the striving to advance science and education. Thank you so much again.
Thank you very much.